my name is Geraldine Thomas and I'm a professional makeup artist that will be recreating Rachel Jones, who is our makeup director for Fashion Art Toronto. Today's makeup video will be for the designer Urbancoolab, and it will consist of a fresh, natural, dewy looking skin with a metallic silver and coppery eye look. Now, if you're unable to complete the eye look, no worries, they will be able to do it at the show. Let's begin. So one of the most important steps to any makeup look is prepping your skin. Number one, you want to make sure that you cleanse properly, removing any dirt or excess oils. Number two is adding a toner. Now, this is optional but can be very beneficial since it could also help to soothe, calm, and hydrate your skin. Number three is adding a treatment, which is a serum. Now, depending on your concerns, it could also help with any dehydration or also brightening your skin, and it's an anti-wrinkle. As well as number four, which is also optional, but it's an eye cream, eye gel, or an eye balm. Now this really helps, especially if you're adding a concealer, since there'll be less creasing, but also the fact that it could also depuff, brighten, and hydrate around the eye area. And number five is your final step, which is sealing it all with a moisturizer. Now you're done and you can begin with your makeup. Now that I have completed my prepping my skin, I'm going to start with the foundation. Of course, I'm just going to use a very light tinted moisturizer because we do want to look that is fresh, natural, yet dewy. So to give that dewy effect, I'm going to be adding the MAC Fix Plus. This is a magic radiance. It has vitamin C and it's very hydrating. Now, what I'm going to do first is I'm going to add this on my little palette, and then I'm going to add the moisturizer, the tinted moisturizer. Now you can use your hands or you can use a very soft brush and just tap it all over. So I'll begin. I'm going to be starting with some concealer, then I'm going to just tap a little bit of powder just to set it there, making sure that it just stays where it needs to stay. Okay, so now that I've completed the concealer, I'm going to continue with some taming the brows because we want fluffy brows. And by achieving a fluffy brow, I'm actually using the e.l.f., which I've already used it previously to another makeup video that I did. And this one has a little bit of a color, which is pretty good and it's natural. So you just apply it this way and you can achieve a fluffy brow. Now, also the other thing is that if you don't have any, then you can also take a spoolie and you can put some hairspray on it, a little bit of hairspray, and you can just brush them upwards, which that will give that full fluffy brow effect. So that's what we want. So now that I've also done the brows, I'm going to continue and I'm going to use a soft lip color. So anything that has like a little bit of a pinkish or natural look can be applied to give that just natural soft color on the lips. So So I'm going to be working on the eyes. Of course, now if you think that you're unable to do the eye part, you can always try, but if you're not sure and you're unable to, no worries. They'll be able to do it at the show. Then what I do suggest is that you do apply mascara and make sure that you curl your lashes. If you can curl them, curl them. You can use a little curler and pack on some mascara. So this way, at least that's done. And also to finish the whole skin, make sure that you apply a little bit of powder on top of the skin, which I will do at the end. So just wanted to let you know that just in case. So I'm gonna do right now is before I do a mascara, I'm gonna do the actual metallic look on my eyes, and I'll come back. Okay, so what I have here is a chrome little eyeshadows that are in like in a powder, and it's from MAC. So what I did is I applied it here into my little plastic bin, and I'm going to be mixing it with a few drops of this Makeup Forever, which is the Mist and Fix. So just a couple of drops in there, which will make that consistency of a little bit of a metallic, creamy texture, which I will apply with a synthetic brush, which is a flat brush. And I'm just going to apply like that. And I will be playing around in the inner corner and then into the outer corner. So I'm going to now continue, and then gradually you'll be able to see it. So this is the look, and I'm just gonna do a little bit of little touch-ups here and there, which is just fixing it in the middle and in the little corners, and then I'm gonna pack it up with some mascara, and then that's it. And I'm going to be applying some setting powder on top of my skin. Now, if the setting powder becomes a little bit too powdery, then what I'll probably do is just reapply a little bit more of this Fix Plus from MAC, and which is going to continue to give that dewy skin at the end. completed the skin, the eyes, an abstract metallic look with a very soft lip and also dewy skin. Mascara, make sure you brush your brows in a very fluffy way, and that's it. So thank you for watching. See you next time.